Ayun guys, first look at Javi. Pero nakatalikod. At may harang na bag. Ayan, tinawag siya ng kanyang teammates. So, ayan is killing Sangmo team. Third quarter, 77-49. Last 3.2 seconds. Madulas ang court. Walang nagpupunas. Ayan o, may bagong number 12 guys. Ayan. Hindi natin kilala. Bella Vita channel. Thank you for the first thumbs up. Solo mo ang court. End of third quarter. Ayun, number 22 pala si Javi. So guys, Pinoy to Pinoy. Pumalit kay Renz Abando si Javi Gomez de Leon. Kapatid ni Juan. Kapatid niya nasa ano naman, Seoul SK Knights. Mr. Shin, hello. Ayan, December ko palas nakita ang team na ito. So it's been more than half year. Ayan, may kasama na si Bella sa court. Dalawa na sila. Debyong June sitting down. Mamaya try natin pa picture kay Javi and get his signature. And Javi kausap ni coach with Mr. Shin, translator. To the game, final quarter. Pass.